Hey there, Deborah Donaldson here, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about link tracking. This video is for people who are new to affiliate marketing. You may have heard the term link tracking but may not understand the importance of link tracking and why you may want to use it. There are a number of platforms out there that do link tracking, and today at the end of this video I'm going to be showing you a new platform that is free to use that will accomplish what you want it to do. With link tracking, basically in a nutshell, what this means is it provides a way for you to know where your affiliate sales are coming from. So if you are in affiliate marketing, you may have put your affiliate link on different social media platforms, or if you're more advanced, maybe you're paying for some sort of ads, like Google ads, or maybe even purchasing something called solo ads, which I will discuss in another video. Now, if you have posted your link on other platforms or in numerous places, and say you make a sale, well, how do you know which platform it came from? How do you know which ad it came from? How do you know what's working if you are not doing link tracking? So with link tracking, you know where your sales are coming from because you can tell which link they clicked on and which platform the person came from and what platform is working for you. And what this allows you to do is then double down on what's working. And you are not wasting your money on promotion methods that don't work. So if you are using solo ads, you know which person is profitable for you to use. And if you are promoting many offers or have your link posted on many different platforms, you know which ones work. So the issue is that a lot of the link tracking software can be very expensive. Now, you may think, well, $20 a month isn't that expensive, but it adds up over time. And if you are just someone just starting out with affiliate marketing, there are other tools I would recommend that you get first before link tracking software, and actually before I found out about this new solution that I'm going to be telling you about. A lot of the other link tracking software too, some of the issues is that they're so complicated to use. I mean, they have all these different sections and how to do this and that, and if you're just starting out, you may not need all of that information. You just want to know where your sales are coming from, who your sales are coming from, and so you can double down then on what's working. And the other thing I found with some of the other free platforms is they may put another ad in front of your link and take your links, the people that are interested in what you're offering, maybe direct them somewhere else before they even get to your link, or they may restrict your link, or may not provide the information that you want, or you can't do something called split testing where you are testing, say, a blue color page versus a red color page. You can't do the split testing. Well, with the solution that I'm going to be telling you about here in just a second, you can do those things, and it is free to use. It's based on use. I have found that it is so easy to use. Now, I've tried a lot of different tracking software. Some of them have come and gone. Like I said, some of them put ads in front of my links, or there's restrictions on what I can, where I can post the link, or things like that. And the thing with link tracking too is you can make what's called a short link. So if your affiliate link has got your name / number, letter number, that can be scary for people to look at. Whereas if you just put the link as your name / my offer, it makes it much easier for people to know and feel confident in what they are clicking on. Link tracking provides a number of services or benefits that can really help you with your affiliate marketing business. The platform that I'm talking about, it's basically provides you with a lot of the professional tracking statistics without the monthly fees. So unless you're sending like over 10,000 people a day to your link, you don't need to worry about any of the pricing features. And if you're getting that many people to your link, you could probably afford the afford the monthly cost of more professional tracking. So this you can use. You're only going to pay for the links that are in use. So if you've created a link and it's not getting any traffic, you're not paying for any of that. And besides that, it's free until you get up to like 10,000 clicks a month. So this is a fantastic new platform. It is by invite only, and it has just been started. I'm going to be putting my affiliate link in the description below. This does not change the price to you at all. Down the road, if you decide you want the paid version, then I may get a slight commission. But this platform for starting out for beginners is free to use. So let's go ahead and take a look at the platform, and I'm going to show you how it works. Okay, so here I am logged into my link tracking platform. And as you can see, I have not gotten any clicks. Like I said, this is brand new, and I just created these links this morning, so I have not gotten any clicks there. But basically, when you first log in, you're going to see this video here that's about 5 minutes, and it walks you through how you can create a tracking link and how to do split testing and all that kind of stuff. So the video is very short. It's very easy to follow. And basically what you're going to do is say you want to create a new link. You're going to put your platform in, so I'll just put, and then I might have, my affiliate link might be something like, so then I can say that's my affiliate link, and then I say add my first target, and the target is where your link is going to go to. So you can have your main offer, and then you put your affiliate link in here. And basically you don't have to worry about any of this. If you only have one link, I don't even know if you need to change this, but I always put it at 100% to that one link. If you've got two different offers, you would create one and then go back and say add another target, and you would create, so if we said test one here, and it's going to go to, and so then you would say add and close here. Let's make this a true google.com. You can say add and close. If you put in a link that's not active, you're just going to get the red circle with the line through it. And let's do that, and then let's add another target, and we'll say test 2, and this will be we'll say add and close. And then so I've got my test 1 and 2. And then if I want to edit anything, I would just click here to edit. And let's say create link. And this is going to create your link. And here you can see the test weight 1 is 48 and 50. You can edit this. Traffic will be based, is going to be random. And so what we can do is we can edit this here, and we can change this to 37. Save changes, and then you can see 37 and 48 here. So you can change the weighting right there. Once you have this, you can see your stats. You can see the total number of people that have clicked on your link. You can see how many are unique, how many people converted, total events, performance over time, where people are coming from. And so this gives you a ton of information that you can't get from a lot of the other free link tracking software. And so for this reason, I'm going to say, okay, I don't want to save that. Let's go ahead and delete this one here because I don't want to save that one. So that is a very quick overview on how easy this is to use. Even on this front page, you can see you know, how your tracking is going, and all of this over here is if you're paying for ads, you can see your cost per click and things like that, and the profit. So, and you can set the date range here, refresh here. And so this software is, I am just amazed. I mean, with some of the other free, like I said, other free software, you're restricted to only 2 links, or you only get 50 clicks. Click meaning people who are clicking on your affiliate link. Or, like I said, they might put another ad in front of your affiliate link, taking your people away from your affiliate link. So there are issues with some of the other software that I have not been thrilled with. And this software here, ClickerVolt, has provided a solution that I think is going to benefit a lot of people. So like I said, my affiliate link is going to be in the description below. I hope you found this to be helpful, and I'll see you on the next one.